Hi, good day M6056. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Imi Idudinding from Davao City. I am 40 years old. I am single and blessing having 7 children. Age 21, 20, 18, 16, 14, 11, and 7 years old. My first work experience as a domestic helper in Middle East, year 2019 to 2022. Have a 4 member of the family, 2 adult and 2 children, age 6 and 7 years old. My responsibility of duties is to take care of the children, cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry, washing, and car washing. And my second work experience in year 2022 to 2024 in Kuwait. Have a 4 member of the have I not 4 members yet. Have a 5 member of the family, 1 adult and 4 children, age 18, 16, 14, and 12 years old. My main duty is to take care of the children and cooking, ironing, laundry, washing, and car washing.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes,
Okay, do you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
yes,
Okay, because you have a children,
yes.
right? Um, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the baby high temperature if she have a fever, a stomach, and diaper. If a diaper is full, I need to change.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I call the parent of the children to inform them for
Inform them.
the baby is doesn't stop to crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest country to work as a domestic helper and also to earn money for the future.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Long term, if my employer wanted me to recontract again, I will continue long term working with them.
Okay, it is okay to extend your contract. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, no, I don't know how to prepare, but I try my best to cook and learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I need to search and I need to search, sir, how to prepare.
Okay, you search in. You can also watch on YouTube or also read some
Some
cooking
receipt.
books,
Yeah,
right?
receipt. Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir. It's okay for me.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer have a pets on their house, it is okay to you to take care of them.
Yes, sir. I will.
It is okay to you to taking care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Uh, I'm glad to work with you soon, ma'am and sir. I assure you to keep the safety of your children and also to do my duty and responsibility as a helper. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Emmy. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Okay.